In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your oven just in case you turn it on and the darn thing doesn't heat up. There's a couple things we can do. First, I check on Amazon to see if there's any replacement parts. I get the elements and they come in one day. I unplug my oven, take out the elements and the racks, unscrew the old element, pull it out, and then there's two clips back here, and then all you have to do is take that off, attach the new one, and then screw it in. All right, so we're going to put the racks back in and turn it on and see if this works. It doesn't work. So there's a top element. Let's go ahead and put that one in. So we're going to do the same thing as the bottom. We're going to unscrew it. There's a couple more screws in this one than the bottom one. So it's kind of difficult to get to. Yeah, I changed my drill because that screwdriver that I use is just kind of too weak. So there's the old one. And I'm going to reattach the new one. By re-clipping in the clips, screwing them in. Put the racks back in, and let's see if this works. And it doesn't work, so we're going to order a thermostat from Amazon. And this one seems to be the easiest one to do because there's just two screws. So you take out the two screws, pull it out, disconnect the clip, get the new one, which looks exactly like the old one, clip it in, and screw it in. Most of these screws can be either used a regular Phillips head or a square Allen wrench. After that's replaced, let's plug it back in and see if this darn thing works or not. And it doesn't work. So what do we do? We're going to go out and look for new stoves. New stoves are pretty expensive. They run about $1,000. Sometimes you get them on sale for $700 or $800, but still, they're quite expensive. So there's one more thing that we can do before we throw this away and spend $1,000. Once again, unplug your oven, and what we're going to do is change out the thermo fuse. The thermo fuse is in the back of the oven, so you got to pull it out. Take out all the screws, and depending on what oven you have, you may have more or less screws than I do on mine. This is a Whirlpool Gold, and I found that I have to actually disconnect or take out the screws to move the power over, and then this comes off. Immediately you can see the thermo fuse. Looks exactly like the one I'm going to replace. So we're going to disconnect it, take out the screws, pop this old one off and replace it with the new one. Okay, so we're going to screw it in, attach the wires back again. Let's go ahead and plug it in to make sure it works. And there we go. It was just a thermal fuse. Easy to fix, very inexpensive. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please subscribe, share with your friends, like, and we'll see you next time.